Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a quick look at this K&F Concept 2-pack of the magnetic quick release adapter mounts for your DJI Action 5 Pro, your Action 4, Action 3, Osmo 360, and I'm going to be trying it out on my DJI Osmo Nano, see how they fit in there. It also includes some other small accessories as well, so let's have a closer look. On the back here it does say it has 1 year of warranty. Let's go ahead and open this up. So before we get to the quick release adapter mounts here, it did come with some other accessories. So first off, it came with the GoPro style mount with the 1/4 inch thread on the bottom. So the adapter for that. So those connect to the bottom of those mounts. It came with 2 thumb screws. So these are the bigger style, easy to turn ones. So there's 2 of those. And then it came with the kind of snap buckle. So if you need that snap style, that was included as well. And then of course the 2 quick release adapter mounts. So they say K&F Concept on the one side. It's got kind of the GoPro mount on the bottom. I do like these orange accents on the clips here. And it's rubberized on the top. And that's what it looks like on the bottom. So let's try this out on my Osmo Nano. So do keep in mind that the Osmo Nano is designed for the dual direction mount, which this one is not. So I put this on here, it's not going to line up perfectly, but you can definitely slide it into place and pop it on. And that's actually really sturdy on there. I like how that fits once it's on. The same thing in the other direction, you kind of have to slide it in place and connect it. So really sturdy on there. Just to give you a reference, if you take the dual direction ones from DJI, they just line up perfectly and snap into place in both directions. So that's going to be probably your main difference if you're using it with the Osmo Nano. But once it's on there, that's really sturdy and going to do the trick for me. Now the reason I wanted this kit is so I can get a super low profile connection to my selfie stick. And I think these K&F Concept connections did the job. So again, these are the K&F Concept 2-pack of the magnetic quick release adapter mounts with some extra accessories.